Hello friends, welcome to my channel Venus Tech Pulse. In the previous video, I have discussed accessing elements of list by using index and by using slice operator, and also I have given syntax and example. In this video, we have to discuss about list versus mutability. Once we create a list object, we can modify its content. Hence, list objects are mutable. Suppose here is an example: n is equal to, the list is 10, 20, 30, 40. Print n. So here after print n means it will print 10, 20, 30 and 40. Next n1, that means index position. N means the variable and index position. N is the list and index position is 1 is equal to 777. Then it will print n. What will be the print? 10, 777 in place of 20, 30, 40. So 20 will be removed and 777 will be introduced in the list. And my second topic is traversing the element of list. The sequential access of each element in the list is called traversal. Okay, traversal. We can use it by using while loop. We can use it using while loop. Okay, so the example will be like this: n is the list and I have written 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, all these elements inside the list n. I is equal to 0, while L less than n, length n, print n of I is equal to I plus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. By using for loop, n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. For n1 in n, print n1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are the output. And how I am traversing this element inside using for and while loop. This is the while loop example. And now by using for loop, traversing element can be done. Okay, good. So next, to display only even number, to display only the even number, how it will be possible? N is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All these are the elements of list. Now we are using for loop for n1 in n. If n1 mod 2, that means the elements that are present in n will come one by one in n1, and it will be modulus operator, or means remainder. If we find 0 in the remainder after division with 2, after modulus operator, using modulus operator, if we get 0 in the remainder, then the value will be printed in the n1. Okay, and the answer will be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay friends, so in this video I have already discussed list and mutability, traversing element by using while loop, for loop, and using example using for loop I have displayed the even numbers. Okay, so friends, please subscribe my channel, comment in my channel, which will motivate me to come with various other videos on Python, C, Java. Okay friends, for today I am saying you goodbye. Bye bye.